Say mommy.
Mommy.
Say Irish. Mommy Irish. Say Zia. Say Atasha. Say cars. Say running. Say walking. Say xylophone. Say zebra. Say stars. Say apple. Say candy. Candy. Say banana. Banana. Say shoes. Okay, where's your hair? Where is your nose? Where is your lips? Where is your ears? Ears. Where is the tongue? Where is your tummy? No, yeah, you are very good. Where is your hand? Where is your neck? Neck. Where is the feet? Feet. Where is your eyes? Eyes. Eyes. Where is your finger? Finger. How about where is the legs? Hindi alam. Where's the hand? Hand. Hand. Say open. Say jumping. Say orange. The sky is blue. You forgot already? You want water? Okay. You want more? Flying kiss.